So what a freaking day. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. And just like I updated you guys yesterday on the amazing day when Tesla gapped up, I think I made $40,000 on the day on Tesla. I was up $23,000 on the open, which means from my average purchase price. Tesla dropped 4.45%, and it's still dropping during the aftermarket trading session. I need to update you guys. Also, I'm sure you guys can kind of guesstimate how much it is that I'm down. Not just talking about my green days, but also talking about my red days. One of the things that I hope can make you feel more comfortable with what you possibly experienced today. I'm sure a lot of you didn't experience as big of a red day as myself. Tesla, like I said from the very beginning, is something that I plan to hold for a longer period of time. It's something that I don't view as such a high-risk stock as maybe something like AMC, GME, or something that's viewed more as a hype stock that is a little bit more volatile. There is no question that Tesla can be very volatile, but at least there is a little bit more of a foundation there with a quality company. I saw a lot of quality companies pull back today, such as Facebook, Square, Amazon, and the overall market, to put it in very simple terms, is pulling on back. I'm not too sure if you guys saw the correlation today, but this is a flux grid right here, and you can actually see the correlation between Tesla and how it performed today and the NASDAQ market, which I thought was pretty interesting because, of course, Tesla follows or trades under the S&P 500, but because NASDAQ is made up of such a heavy influence of tech stocks, I think that a lot of the tech stocks that you might be investing in right now could be a good focus for you to be able to focus on something like /NQ if you find there to be some form of correlation. That's essentially what I wanted to talk about. I do plan to reduce my position size because Tesla broke below $700 a share. So therefore, I plan to reduce my position size to 750 shares instead of the 900 that I have right now. So it is a difficult number to look at. I'm down $27,000, not $2,700, $27,000 on the day. I have 900 shares currently right now, so I'm going to be selling about 150 of my shares. But the thing that I'm focusing on is I'm down $9,000 on the open, which of course, like, it is a rough number to look at, but based off of the dollar amount that I've invested and based off of the overall big picture of Tesla, I'm not too worried. What I encourage, just like in yesterday's video, did I encourage everyone to buy Tesla just because I was up and because it was one green day? No, if anything, the exact opposite. I reminded you how easily Tesla can pull back below 700, how easily it can pull back to 650. We didn't have true confirmation. And instead of just trying to hype something up just because I'm up one day, right? I knew that we were in the very early stages of a potential reversal, and Tesla still has so much to prove, just like the overall market. So yes, I am down now on the open, but I still feel pretty comfortable based off of the overall big picture, the overall upside of what Tesla has to offer. And I'm personally very excited to follow up with it. If you don't see value in Tesla, I 100% respect your opinion. I want to know what it is that you see value in. So make sure you comment that down below. What's the top stock that you're focusing on right now? I think that we can all agree that there's so many different ways on how to make money in the market, and we don't need to see eye to eye in every single investment that we choose to take advantage of. But you will see specific people that will subjugate others just because they don't see eye to eye, and those are the people that you just mainly want to avoid because they're so close-minded and I guess their lives just suck. But what I really wanted to encourage you is, if you had a bad day, if you had a rough day, I wanted to at least shed the light on myself and kind of show you that I also had a red day. And yeah, it does suck, but it's part of the game, right? If you want to take heavy positions and you want to be up $50,000 on one day, then you also have to understand that to benefit and experience the green days, you have to accept the red days, and that's just the stock market in general, right? So I hope that this can kind of put more of a perspective in that. One of the stocks that I do want to talk about, I want to give a huge shout out to my boy Nathan. Nathan had $60,000 or $90,000 worth of RKT, which is Rocket, at an average purchase price, if I'm not mistaken, at about $20 a share, something like that, and it shot up to highs of $45. I think he said his trading account or his investing account right now sits at a little bit over $300,000. If you guys look a little bit more into it, it sounds like it's kind of going through a short squeeze. I can't find there to be a fundamental reason on why it's pushing up. I just wanted to talk about something while, you know, the majority of the market is pulling on back. I wanted to talk about maybe something that wasn't as aggressively pulling on back, and I thought that this was a good example. But I'm personally, again, super excited to follow up with Tesla. You guys can let me know in the comment section, do you guys think that I'm horribly wrong, that Tesla's crashing? And if you do, then feel free to share so on why in the comment section. But again, I think that we're in the very early stages of a potential reversal. And from where we're at as of right now, that although it might not be going exactly according to plan, I think based off of previous resistance levels and how bullish it's been in the past, pullbacks are inevitable. They're bound to happen. They happen with every single stock. It's these pullbacks where if you have money set aside and you can invest in quality companies wisely, I'm not saying that this is your quality company. I'm just saying that if you can set money aside and invest when they're presented to be good deals, then being able to buy now and benefit your future self is something that I'm simply trying to do, right? This thing offers a little bit over 20% potential based off of current price points and based off of previous resistance levels right around $875. And who knows if we end up making new highs. Let me know if you guys think Tesla's going to hit $1,000 a share and how nice that would look and feel once we actually get there. But altogether, just simply wanted to provide you guys with an update, wanted to shed some light on my red day to make your red day a little bit more acceptable. Please balance out those position sizes. Don't have so much money invested in the market that you can't tolerate and that discourages you from ever partaking in it again. You want to enjoy the process. You want to put yourself in a position to succeed. And I think you can succeed most effectively when you are not as emotional by having too much money on the line. So I hope that it earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to stay connected. We do run one of the largest free Facebook groups in the world, and that's that first link in the description with over 307,000 members. And if you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, click the second link in the description, and I'll see you tomorrow at Market Open. Until then, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.